2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. If you're looking for extras, look no further than these built-in features: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, tinted windows, HID headlights, rear air conditioning. Call today to speak to any of our sales associates.